Okay, this is Leia take 2 after she's mostly figured out each piece. I do wish this didn't slide around as much. It makes her hard for her to get her teeth around this. Oh, good. Almost. Good job. Alright, I closed the orange one all the way this time. Hey, come on, keep going. Keep going. So let's see if she can get it. She's turned it the wrong way. Can't turn that way. Doesn't work that way, baby. Oh, there's some in there. How do you do this one? You know how to do this one. Hey, no. How do you do? Oh yeah, there you go. Alright, I'm gonna reset this one since you got it jammed. Alright, try it again. Okay, got this one left. No, you can't have those streets. You gotta have one of these streets. There's nothing in the drawer. Come on, Leia. Gotta do this one. This one. Turns and lifts, okay? It gets a little stuck. Okay, go ahead. No, come on, baby. You gotta grab this. Remember? Come on, you gotta grab this. What the hell kind of noise is that? Come on, you can do it. Yes. Yes. Gotta turn it like that. Yeah, there you go. That's not the treat. Good job, Leia! Leia! She's got to make sure every single one's empty.